अगर आप एक बेकर है तो I'm sure this is your favorite season because fresh strawberries are everywhere. So why not bake some seasonal desserts? So in this and in the next few videos, I'll teach you how to make desserts made with fresh strawberries. And आज के एपिसोड में मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ one of my favorite cake that is strawberry shortcake, वो भी completely eggless. इस केक में हम यूज करेंगे एक eggless vanilla sponge, fresh strawberry jam, some chopped strawberries और frosting के लिए none other than the cream cheese frosting. Hi, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation School, जहाँ हम आपको बनाते हैं एक professional pastry chef in just 6 months. Registrations are open for our March 2024 batch. So if you're someone who wants to become a professional baker or start your own bakery business, then make sure आप हमारे offline courses जरूर check करें. Link for which is in the description area below. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम टिन्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे by greasing oil and placing butter papers at the bottom. Now in this bowl we'll mix buttermilk, fresh cream, oil and vanilla essence. Then add in castor sugar and mix until sugar dissolves a little. अब हम इसमें बेकिंग पाउडर एंड बेकिंग सोडा डाल के अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे एंड साइड में रख देंगे सो दैट बटर मिल्क एंड राइजिंग एजेंट्स एक दूसरे के साथ रिएक्ट करें. अब हम इस बोल में ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर एंड सॉल्ट को सिफ्ट कर लेंगे. Now we'll add this into the wet mixture gradually and form a smooth and lump-free batter. So हमारा बैटर तैयार है. अब हम इस बैटर को प्रिपेयर्ड टिन्स में ट्रांसफर कर लेंगे and we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Meanwhile our sponge is baking, let's make the frosting. उसके लिए we'll soften cream cheese and set aside. अब हम sweetened whipping cream को whip करेंगे until it has soft peaks. Now we'll fold the soft cream cheese into this and keep aside until the assembly. So our sponges are baked properly and have completely cooled down. Now we'll demold them carefully and divide each into 2 parts. Also make sure to trim the dome part. Now for layering the cake, we'll spread some frosting on the cake base so that cake budge ना हो. अब हम एक स्पॉन्ज की लेयर प्लेस करेंगे and we'll soak it with simple vanilla syrup. For the simple vanilla syrup, we'll mix water and vanilla essence together. अब हम इसके ऊपर frosting पाइप करके स्मूथ कर लेंगे. So for the strawberry jam recipe, check out our strawberry jam video जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. और ऊपर से स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम स्प्रेड करेंगे. Lastly, we'll place some freshly chopped strawberries on top. Now we'll place another layer of sponge on top and repeat the same process as before. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो हमारा केक लेयर हो चुका है। अब हम इसकी क्रम कोटिंग करेंगे बाय पाइपिंग द क्रीम चीज फ्रॉस्टिंग ऑल ओवर द केक। So our cake is crumb coated properly. Now we'll keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. Now we'll again pipe frosting all over the cake and smooth out. Also let us know why do we crumb coat a cake. So for decoration we are using a cake comb here. We'll run it around the cake keeping the cake comb in 45 degrees. While using a cake comb, make sure that you do not press too much, otherwise your frosting will come off. Now on top we'll pipe dollops around the edge. And place fresh whole strawberries in the middle. Lastly, we'll dust some icing sugar on top. With this, we are done with the delicious eggless strawberry shortcake. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी जरूर पसंद आया होगा. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.